Hello and welcome to this little demonstration of our dashboard functionality in INEXTIA. Dashboards in INEXTIA can be used for many different things, and I will try to show you some of the possibilities as they are. As always in INEXTIA, we start by logging in with our username. And in my INEXTIA here, it is set up so that the dashboard is my homepage. As you can see, there is quickly a whole lot of information that I can easily overview. In this case, there are some graphs, a few numbers, and even a map showing something about the weather and forecast. Dashboards in INEXTIA work in such a way that as an administrator, you can define which dashboards should be shown to the different roles and users who log into the system. This means that for a group of employees, you can display a dashboard that shows them certain things, and for another group of employees, you can show other information that is relevant to them. When we work with dashboards, on our task list, dashboard is the first item. In this case, I have two dashboards. I have one called service time, and then I have one called overview. If I expand my service dashboard here, there are several different pages on it. As I navigate through the different pages, there can be various layouts on the dashboard. Here, for example, I have an image of Anley 1, where some dots have just been inserted. And here, I can actually use the dashboard to display some alarms. In this case, I have a red dot. This actually means that there is a job that should have been completed. If I click on it, I get a list of the jobs that might be pending, which are overdue. And from here, I can actually navigate directly to the job in question. So, some of the other things we have on the dashboard are these graphs. And our graphs are not just for information. They are interactive. This means that when I have a graph of a certain type, it could, for example, be this simple number down here at the bottom. If I click on the number, I am shown the list of jobs that the list is based on. And if I want to see more information about the specific job, I can click here on the little magnifying glass. And then I simply open the job, in this case the job history screen, which shows me the details of the job that has been performed. When I work with my dashboards on my task list, the administrator actually has a whole designer available. This means that up here at the top, you can click Edit, and from here you can actually start creating your new dashboards. You can change the sizes and do whatever you like. When you're finished, you click Save, and then you return to your overview. As mentioned, the dashboard can be used to display many different things, and all the data you have available in your INEXTIA can actually be displayed on the dashboard. It can be data from forms, it can be job data, it can also be purchasing data. For example, we have some purchasing data down here, where we have information about how many orders we have, how many orders are urgent, and if there is anything pending to be ordered. It could also be some missing deliveries, for example, that we were interested in looking at. So all data available in INEXTIA can easily be made available on our dashboards. This should ideally provide some overview, and it should make it so that the users who work with INEXTIA and perhaps sometimes have a lot of things to manage can easily get an overview via a dashboard on their front page. We think it's really good functionality, and we certainly hope that it's something you will use. That's all for now.